Hello, guys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to RoboThoughts Zero to Hero series, Python programming on Jetson Nano. Alright, guys, we are on lesson number 17. Okay, today I'm going to, in this particular lesson, I'm going to talk about output variables. Okay, what does that mean? In Python, the print statement you would have seen in all the previous exercise we did, print. So what is print? So basically in Python, the print statement is often used for an output variable, to output a variable. Okay, so when you execute, you see an output. So that's the print statement. Now to combine both text and a variable, Python uses a character called plus. Okay, text and a variable. To combine this together, we need to use a symbol called plus. Okay, now when you don't need any kind of fancy output, but you just want to quickly display some variable for say troubleshooting or debugging purpose, you can just convert any value to a string. Okay, that's how it is. So let me show you an example how it looks like. All right, let me log into my Jetson Nano. I am already logged in. I hope you are logged in too. Let's open our previous file variables. Nano is the IDE, guys. Don't forget, the first lesson we installed Nano in Jetson Nano. That's the Nano IDE. Nano variable.py variable.py. Okay, this is the previous one. Let me delete. Okay, now let me show you some very simple example how it looks. So let's say x equals what? X equals something, say x equals good. Okay, now let's print say say Iron Man is okay. Now plus I am adding another one, Iron Man is x. Okay, can you see this, guys? Can you see what I am trying to do? Right, I hope you understand this. Okay, now what we need to, let me save this. Control O, enter, Control X. Okay, now let's execute this Python file. So how do we do that? Python 3 variable.py. Boom, there you go. Iron Man is good. Can you see that? Can you see the output, how it is? So this is what is called, what I was trying to explain before. Basically the print statement is often used to give any kind of output of a variable, right? You would have seen multiple exercises, right? Now to combine both the text and a variable, Python uses this plus character. Okay, that's what it's all about. Okay, now let's okay, now so this is about output variables. All right, guys, I think that's a pretty short quick example. If you want, I can show you one more example in this. So let's see. Let me just go back and share my screen. Let me clear this. Okay, and let's open that file again. Nano variable.py. All right, let me delete this. Now let's say x equal to Iron Man is double quote. Okay, y equal to, say, great robot. Okay, now z equal to, let's say, x plus y. Okay, now what do we do next? Print. Let's say print what? The output z. Now let's see what happens. Control O to save, enter, Control X. Alright. How do we execute the Python file? Through command line. Python 3 variable.py. There you go. Did you see that, guys? Iron Man is great robot. So that there should be ideally there's supposed to be a gap, a space between is great. We can modify that in the program. I'll show you how to do that. So guys, basically, this is another example which I was trying to explain you how this particular variable works when you're trying to give a output using a print statement, and which is nothing but a simple variable, and it can be done in multiple ways. All right, guys, do like this video, leave a comment, and reach out to me if you need any help. I'll be happy to guide you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.